Good afternoon, everyone. We are out here in the gorgeous Hammersmith subdivision in Pace, Florida at 4132 Lancaster Gate Drive. Today we're going to show you a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom and just over 3,000 square feet. This home is absolutely stunning and it's got everything already set up for you. Brand new roof, brand new HVAC unit. So let's take you guys inside. So right upon entry, you can already see we've got high ceilings throughout, gorgeous recessed lighting, luxury vinyl flooring. I mean, truly, you are all set. So this open floor plan in here for this living room, you've got everything. The fireplace, we've got a formal dining room, an office designated area, and then wait till you see the kitchen. So again, just off from the front door, we've got this gorgeous, large, windowed French door space here, currently being used as an at-home office, and honestly, I think that's a great use for it. Here's that living room again. There's your fireplace. And you can even see above the fireplace there, you do have that mounted lighting that's hidden up above. And then just to the right of that front door, here is where your formal dining room could or would be. And then you've got that nice tray ceiling right there. And then the same window layout as the office. So we'll take you guys through here to show you the kitchen. Contemporary light fixtures. You've got the recessed lighting in the bar that goes across. Again, high ceilings through here. Stainless steel appliances throughout. It's a double door fridge, water dispenser and ice maker, as well as the pull-out drawer for the freezer. Electric smooth top stove. Look how beautiful. Lots of storage in here. And then there's your undermount sink, this large breakfast bar area. I'll give you guys a better view here. Such a stunning kitchen. I really do love this. And then just behind it, you also have additional seating area. So this is currently being used as that breakfast area or dining if you want something a little bit more informal. And again, right through there is going to be where you could place a formal dining set. So just another look at that living room before I take you guys to see the bedroom. Arched walkway as we go to the west wing of the house. On this wing, you're going to have 3 of your 4 bedrooms. So yes, that does mean that the primary suite is on its own wing of the house, which I know can be desirable for some people. Same window display as seen in the office and the dining room. And then this is bedroom number 1 that we're going to see today. Very large closet here, full-size double doors. So to maximize that storage space, and the same luxury vinyl that was in the main living quarters is going to be throughout the home as well. Here is going to be our first out of 2 bathrooms. So it is a split vanity. We've got one vanity here. Very nice lighting. There's the commode. Gorgeous garden tub. I mean, look at this. So spacious. And then you do have a separate shower in here as well. So best of both worlds. And then here is going to be your second vanity area, a little bit smaller than the first, but still you get a lot of storage to the side. So everything you could want in that full bathroom. Continuing down the hallway, we're going to come to what would be our second bedroom. Yes, you do have a closet in here. It's a little bit of a smaller window, but still you get some gorgeous natural light. And then this closet is actually going to technically be a walk-in, as you do have tons of space in here. So nice walk-in size closet. And continuing on, this is going to be our last bedroom on this side of the home. So larger bedroom space here. This one is going to have an even bigger walk-in closet. You do get a window here, which is going to have a view of the backyard. And then through that door is going to be your walk-in closet that will go all the way to the wall there. All right, continuing through, get another good look of this beautiful living room. And just a sneak peek, because we will go out there later, but you do get a luxuriously sized screened-in patio back there. And of course, the swimming pool, but we'll go see that momentarily. So moving on to the opposite end of the house, here is our primary suite here. 2 windows in the main sleeping area. Again, all about the natural light here. And then through these gorgeous French doors, you have your master bath. So as you can already see, it's going to be a double vanity, nice under sink storage, and then same idea, you still get a tub and a shower. This one's going to be jetted. Look at that. Very large size tub. And then a gorgeous walk-in shower here. As you can see, you've got the bench in there with the in-mount storage. Love that. And then you do get a separate water closet, so this door can close to have some privacy. And then behind the bathroom door is a linen closet as well. So lots of storage in the bathroom, still very spacious. And then I don't need to say anything about the size of this closet. It is a wonderfully sized closet, definitely enough for both parties to have room for all of their belongings. And then down this way to the left is going to be your laundry room, and then the door straight ahead is going to be your 2-car garage. That is going to be a side entrance for the garage. As you could tell when we first walked in, you don't have a garage door staring you in the face when you pull up in your driveway, so you do get a little bit of privacy having a side entrance there. All right, so we are outside here. I love the brick out here, truly. I think it makes such a nice touch. And having this screened in just allows you to enjoy your patio space during any season. You don't have to worry about the mosquitoes in the summertime. And then, I mean, I don't have to use any words to describe this, how beautiful. And then you also do get this little cubby area over here as well. So you can see this is still screened in, but you could put a little small sectional couch there, enjoy your coffee from that area. Hello. And then you still get plenty of yard space as well. And the shed actually does convey too, so the shed will come with the home. And as you can see, like I said, tons of yard space here. And I'll get you a better look at that pool. Beautiful, you guys, beautiful. And then this back fence as well is also going to be replaced within the next week. We're in the first week of May here, so if you're watching this video in a later month, it has already been replaced for you guys. And then this door right here coming back in, it does have the pet door installed, but the owners did keep the original door, so you can have it changed out if you guys do not have pets or you want to go back to the original way the door looked. But yes, again, you guys, we are at 4132 Lancaster Gate Drive in Pace, Florida. This is the Hammersmith subdivision. Such a beautiful neighborhood, large open floor plan, and you still get so much privacy in your backyard as well. We would absolutely love for you guys to come check this one out.